Yo, YouTube is Shy the Kid. Bring you something a little different today. As you can see right over there. See, I got a digital PS5 right there. So I've had this since release date. Haven't opened it. Don't mind the dog. You may see the dog running around. I just took her out, and when she come back in the house, she like to run all over the place. But she playing with this right now, so we just get her out of here. But like I said, you can see this the digital version, but this is going to a homeboy. This is going to a homeboy. I've been saving that there because I was kind of iffy about keeping the digital because I wanted the standard one just because I had a disc, but the digital one looked good. But without further ado, I present you the standard version of the PS5. So the digital one there I got off Walmart on pre-orders in like September. This bad boy right here, I've been trying since release to get this. So I got this luckily on the PlayStation Direct store on what? Thursday? I think the week following or the week after the US release, every day PlayStation was restocking it. And every time I was sitting in that queue and it just wouldn't work. So finally on Thursday, I clicked the link instantly, was waiting there for like an hour and a half, and I finally got through and snagged this boy. And I had express shipping, fastest shipping y'all can give me. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. Let me go get a something to use to open this, you know? Okay, so I'm back. So I just went ahead and got a knife, opened it, but I forgot to mention I didn't get this card from PlayStation, but PlayStation sent like this thank you note. It says, "Congratulations on your PS5. The big day is finally here. Thank you for your support. We really hope you enjoy the journey. As a small token, go here and redeem." So they left some code. I don't know what is on the code. I actually have no clue. So we'll probably redeem that. But without further ado, here we go. It's open. Y'all see me? Y'all see me? I honestly have not seen one of these in person. So, like I said, I didn't even open that digital one. It still got the factory tape on it, but golly, you get this thing out. Hold on. My goodness, there we go. The box within a box. You know what I mean? So we got that outer box out. Now we gotta undo this. There go one. There go one. Okay. A lot of boxes, I guess. I don't know. So here, I don't know if y'all can see this, but we got some manual look like the controller over there. I haven't touched the controller, so I don't know how they are. What is this? Look like the power cord, so we'll just post that in the back. The manuals and stuff won't need that, but we'll keep it on deck because honestly, I've been seeing a lot of people have like actual hardware issues with the PlayStation, so we'll keep that on the side. I think this is the stand for the PlayStation, and then we have a HDMI port. Toss that in the back. So now we get to the important bit. What's over here? So now they got a lot of hidden cables all over the place, but looks like USB C to USB. So that might be for the controller to charge the controller. I think that's it in terms of like the peripheral. Peripheral? Is that how you? I don't know. Whatever. Let's try this controller. Let's see this controller. Okay. I mean, it feels pretty good. The I don't know what this part is called. It's really long. People said, I don't know. Let me see if I can get it. Yeah, no, this camera is not good enough. But and if you put like a microscope to it, you don't even really need one. If you look at it from here, there are like little triangle, squares, X's on the back. You can't really. Oh! What's going on? You see the dog in the background. Come on, focus up, focus up. Okay, there we go. Had to fix it, but now you can see the dog is up there sniffing all the stuff. But overall, the controller, I mean, it feels good. I just feel like my fingers are a little too big for this. Let me get a. This is my modded PS4 controller. That's what I play COD on console with. But you see, like The buttons are kind of like, I don't know, the buttons are there, but this one I just feel like my hands are like swallowing it. So I have to like, to get to X, I gotta bend my whole thumb. But here, well, I guess I have to do it, but I don't know. This one just feels like my hands are really long for the controller. But I mean, other than that, it feels good. They got rid of the coloring of the buttons, so the sticks feel good. Overall, I think it's all right, but I don't think, honestly, I'm gonna get a modded version of this anyway. So when those become available, that controller won't be used. So I think that was all of this extra stuff. So yep, so that's out. So now there go the console. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! I like a daggone paper cut from the box. But let's go ahead and try to take this out. You know? Oh, this thing is heavy. Oh my god! Yeah, this thing is definitely heavier than PS4. I still got the standard PS4. This thing, it's like bottom heavy. So like this is the bottom of the console. This part is heavy. I don't know what mechanics are down here. I thought the fan was up here, so I don't know. I don't know why this is so heavy, but let's go ahead and peel it back. Oh my gosh. Focus, please, focus. You see the dog over there doing whatever. There we go. Hey, chill out. See? But let's go ahead and peel this back. Ooh, wee! Y'all see that thing? Y'all see that thing? This thing is ginormous, bro. This thing is massive. So I have the Series S, Xbox Series S, the small white one. That thing, like, that thing is so little. I actually love that one, but this, I mean, it's nice, but golly, Sony, could you have like made it a little smaller? Like, I feel like something could have been done to make this smaller. It don't need to be this big. You know, typically when we advance in technology, we make things smaller. But this bigger than every single PlayStation that's ever come out. So, I mean, other than that, this is so. If you look at it here, and you can kind of see it on the digital version back there, this is like symmetrical on the digital version, which I absolutely love. That's why I wanted to keep the digital version. But I was like, I mean, disc games, I haven't bought a disc game in years, but it's good to have the option too if I want to. So I just went ahead and tried to get a standard one. And I've heard that people's like disk drives are making so much noise, and I did not want that. So um, yeah, so we got two USBs, LAN, HDMI, and the output. And then on the front, we got a USB C and then a standard USB. One has a charging thing on it, and the other one just has USB. So these are 2.1. The blue ones are 2.1s. The front one just looks like a standard 2 because it's not blue, but that was one of the biggest issues with the PS4. It only had two USBs throughout the whole thing. So this one has four, thank goodness. So I'll be able to have my microphone, my headset, all of it hooked up. So yeah, it's the PlayStation 5. So the digital one will be going today. Actually, after I record this video, I'm shipping it out, getting it to the homeboy. So if you all enjoyed this video, if you think, I should do more of these, I don't really know what is like coming out soon, but maybe when the PlayStation 5 Pro comes out, who knows? Maybe an unboxing. But if you enjoyed this episode, leave a like. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. And yeah, other than that, I'm about to hook this bad boy up. Make sure there's no issues, because if it is, I'm gonna be pissed off. Ship that out, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.